What's going on, guys? This is Boom Boom Tisk. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be working on our Project G20 van today. Project Vanlife, Project Smurfmobile, whatever you want to call it. We got a little bit of tire tuck on the 235/75s. And got like next to no clearance from the frame and the bump stop. So we got the shocks jacked up, aired up as much as they can at like 125 PSI. But what's next from here will probably be getting the whole thing aligned. Maybe even a C-notch in the future. Probably gonna be needed, but we're gonna rock this for now. I'm gonna take it for a drive around the block, so wish me luck. All right, guys, we're really gonna do this. We're gonna take this van for a drive just around the block. I'm terrified. Well, all pieces are still on so far. Nothing has fallen off on the road, but we have encountered our first speed bump. All right, I'm pretty terrified, but let's go ahead and sometimes you just got to get over it, you know? Alright guys, it's a Christmas miracle. We made it over our first speed bump. So, I think that's enough test drive for today. Let's just get this thing home. Well, wouldn't be a complete day without some sort of mishap happening, so check it out. But first, coffee. There you have it, folks. Drive shaft on the floor, when it should be like up there. It looks like it's separated from the differential. The front end is still on there. Taking a better look at the carnage under here. This is the yoke on the differential side, and it has got a pretty good wear mark in there. And so it looks like we're gonna have to do a little bit more than just replacing the U-joint, if that's even needed. So right now I got the drive shaft just secured out of the way. We got our friend over here, the one who always trailers our race cars to and from the track to show up. So shout outs to that guy. And we're gonna pay our old friends at Pacific Auto Service a visit. Hopefully they can help us be sorted out with our situation here. We got a friendly here. All right, this is the old man.
Yeah.
Viejo, dirty old man.
Yeah.
That's our guy. Here safe at Pacific Auto Service. So we're gonna have them take a look at it. Hopefully we can get the rear end back in all together, have it driving again. So we're gonna end on that note. Will we ever fix the blue van? Stay tuned, wait and see. Have a good one, peace out. Hold up. You thought I was just gonna leave y'all hanging like that? Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh. So we're actually on our way back to the shop to pick up the van. we're gonna get to get a first look at it, see how it is, and hopefully even make it home. So here we go, let's do this. All right, folks, there it is, fresh out the shop, baby. So we're back on the ground, got the alignment done in the front here, and a couple of other things too was done. We got the brakes flushed, fluid flushed. We also got the coolant temperature gauge to work now, so shout outs to Pacific Auto for that. But yeah, so we're gonna have to just see how it does, take it for a drive. I gotta get back in it and drive it home, so hey, wish me luck. Uh-oh. What's going on? Okay, guys, no more surprises today. We got it started. We probably need to get gas. Bon voyage. Let's go. I'd be lying if I didn't say that this was terrifying. Well, guys, we made it to the gas station. Needless to say, it was a pretty terrifying drive, but I'm just glad we made it here in one piece. The ride's pretty bouncy, I have to admit. Okay, it's very bouncy, but I mean, come on, check the stance out though. That's all that matters, right? Style over comfort. So hey, I ain't tripping. Let's go ahead and get this thing home. Next thing to do is going to be some serious cleaning here. But hey, you know what? We made it back home. That's what counts. So it should be pretty much downhill from here. We're just gonna go back to enjoying it. Try to see what other little issues we can work out, and just gonna see what we get. So peace out.